Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dunn County, southwestern Chippewa County, northwestern Eau Claire County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near MEMOMONIE, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. Reported many trees and power lines down across southern St. Croix County. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elk Mound around 8:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Eau Claire. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across southern St. Croix County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Chippewa, Dunn, and Eau Claire. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Washington County, northwestern Pierce County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cottage Grove, or 11 miles southeast of St. Paul, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Prescott around 8:10 p.m. River Falls around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Canic in Nick State Park, Gray Cloud Township, and Afton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Washington, Minnesota, and Pierce, Wisconsin. The